Now we are going to start case study question number 15, and this case study question is based on light. This is a new concept, total internal reflection. शायद सुने होंगे कहीं पर. Light is a form of energy that produces in us the sensation of sight. Reflection of light is the phenomena of bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking the surface of any object. The two laws of reflection are the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane, and the angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. The refraction of light is the phenomena of change in the path of light in going from one medium to another. Okay, so ध्यान से देखो, this is the total internal reflection concept is given, and based on that some questions are there, right? देखो यहाँ से अगर हम लोग यहाँ डेंसर से रेडियर मीडियम के तरफ अगर हम लोग लाइट को पास कर रहे हैं, so it will bend away from the normal. Okay, right? So ये एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल में क्या होगा कि जो रिफ्रैक्टेड जो रे है, रिफ्रैक्टेड रे जो है वो नॉर्मल से परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा, राइट? आर यू एबल टू सी दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो द कंटेक्स्ट इज लाइक दैट. जब इससे ये जो इंसिडेंट जो एंगल है इससे थोड़ा भी ज्यादा करेंगे तो वो पूरा का पूरा रिफ्लेक्शन हो जाएगा, एंड दिस फेनोमेना इज कॉल्ड टोटल रिफ्लेक्शन एंगल. और जिस एंगल के बाद वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, टोटल रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, that particular angle is known as critical angle. See, this is a new concept, and this concept has been detailed explained in class 12 ray optics. लेकिन यहाँ पे पूरा context देके उसके ऊपर questions पूछा हुआ है, ठीक है? तो context is like that: a ray of light passes from a medium of water to that of air. Light ray will be refracted at the junction separating the two media. Since it passes from a medium of higher refractive index, that is denser, to that having a lower refractive index, rarer, the refracted light ray bends away from the normal. And at a specific angle of incidence, this one, the incident ray of light is refracted in such a way that it passes along the surface of the water. This particular angle of incident is called critical angle. And here the angle of refraction is 90 degree. Okay. Now when the angle of incident is greater than this critical angle, the incident ray is reflected back to the medium. Right? बिल्कुल ये दोनों angles equal हो जाएंगे फिर. So this phenomena is called total internal reflection. Whether context is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now based on this total reflection, if you see this in राजस्थान में डेजर्ट एरिया में अगर देखोगे तो हम लोग को दूर से क्या होता है कि वो जो पेड़ का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखाई देता है, ऐसा लगता है कि पानी है वहां पर. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड मिराज. इट इज एन ऑप्टिकल इल्यूशन व्हिच इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द अपीयरेंस ऑफ द वाटर लेयर एट शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस इन अ डेजर्ट और ऑन द रोड. So mirage is an example of total internal reflection which occurs due to atmospheric refraction. Okay, so based on this concept, few questions are there. थोड़ा छोटे छोटे questions है concept के basis पे, not much higher level. So first question: mirage is caused due to first total internal reflection of light by the various layers of air, illusion of the presence of water तो था ही नहीं वहाँ पर, result of refraction of light from a non-uniform medium during sunny days when driving on a roadway. So already I explained in the context. The reason is
Total internal reflection of light by various layers of
very
air.
good. Total internal reflection of light by the various layers of air. Now second question: what is mirage? First, depends on the position of object. Mirror is concave and the lens is convex. वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं था. Go straight into the second medium. Third one, the fourth one, optical illusion caused due to total internal reflection. I think it is clear.
Optical
Optical
illusion
illusion
caused
caused
due
due
to
to
total
total
internal
Very good.
reflection.
The fourth one is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next, what is the condition for total internal reflection? That is also I explained. Angle of incidence is less than to critical angle. Angle of incidence is equal to critical angle. Angle of incidence is greater than to critical angle. None of this.
Angle of incidence is greater than to critical angle.
Very good. C bits. And now the fourth one, mirage is observed mainly during dash days. एटमॉस्फेरिक जो रिफ्रैक्शन है ना वो विंटर और स्प्रिंग और हॉट में पॉसिबल नहीं है, सनी डेज में ही पॉसिबल है, राइट? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सनी. हाउ अ मिराज इज फॉर्म बिटवीन फोकस एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर is formed away from the normal illusion of the presence of water and is a result of refraction of light from a non-uniform medium, is reflected along the same path.
Illusion of presence of water.
Yes, illusion of presence of water and is a result of refraction of light from a non-uniform medium. So this is the last question of this case study question. A very good case study question, but not the question is not of the higher order, only text ke basis pe ye question. So now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you.